An otoplasty, also known as ear pinning, is a procedure done in order to take prominent ears and set them back symmetrically and make them look more natural along the contour of the face. The things that characterize a prominent ear are, number one, how far the ear protrudes from the face. Number two is whether or not it has the fold, which is called the antihelical fold. And number three, the size of the concha or the bowl within the ear. These are the things that make up a prominent ear. The key elements to a well-done otoplasty are, number one, that the ears are set back symmetrically and look the same from the front view. Number two is that they're not overly corrected, because that certainly also looks very unnatural. And number three is that the crease that's made is very smooth and the contour is very even and natural looking. Those are the key elements to having a well-done otoplasty. The recovery from an otoplasty is actually much simpler than people think. At the end of 1 week, you'll come back to the office, we'll remove your bandages as well as the sutures, which are located behind the ear, therefore your incision's essentially invisible. You'll wear a headband at night for approximately 2 weeks, avoid contact sports for about 6 weeks, but otherwise go back to life as you know it. The key with otoplasty, as with almost all procedures, but especially with otoplasty, is being meticulous. Creating one ear that is perfect and another one that is different is essentially a useless procedure. So the key is create a beautiful ear and then spend as much time creating another ear that matches the other one. That requires being meticulous, accurate, and very, very patient. And that is the way that I do all of my procedures. That way you assure a beautiful outcome and something that looks very natural to the patient. An otoplasty is actually a very empowering procedure. Most people think of an otoplasty as something that you have done as a child, but interestingly enough, for patients who are older, it is that much more powerful. Most people whose ears are prominent hide their ears with their hair, seldom getting photos, and are always aware that their ears are prominent. Undergoing an otoplasty will give you the freedom to forget that your ears were ever prominent and just be who you were really meant to be.